Good afternoon, guys. So anyways, it's been a little while since I did a video, about 2 weeks now actually, and it's a little windy here. We're starting to get into the fall weather, so I really hope you guys can hear me. The Neon, so been working on it. I have some stuff on order. I got a sample of wrap, which I haven't wrapped anything yet, but pretty sure that's the color that I want to go with. Mike's seen it, my wife Audrey, she's seen it. It's gonna be obnoxious, but that's kind of what I want. As for the Neon itself, I'm having one little issue right now where it's slipping out of second, fourth, and reverse. And what I've found is under the hood on the transmission, there's these two little plastic bushings that, hang on a second. So there's two plastic bushings that are way down under here, and that goes to your shift linkage. You are not going to be able to see it, but I'll show you guys when I go to replace them. One of them's perfect, the other one's actually quite loose. So I'm hoping that that's the issue. We're going to try that first and go from there. And had to get rockers for inspection, so I've ordered new rockers, and I've got a squeaky door now for some reason. I've ordered rockers, and in doing so I'm trying to get it ready for the guy that's going to weld them in. So I've stripped out all the interior. I've put the seats back in just for temporary, make it a little easier. I was having an issue that I had to turn this the multifunction switch on before starting it, and ended up getting one at the junkyard for like $25, and it works perfect now, so I'm really happy about that. No more clicking sound, and it's working perfect. Yeah, so right now I'm calling this the Pagani Edition Neon because of the way that the shifter's exposed. So I'll show you a picture of a Pagani that we saw in Montreal here a couple years ago, and anyways, it's just kind of a little joke that I had going around. Other than that, we're kind of moving a little slow right now. It's been busy at work, so I've been focusing all the attention at that and trying to save up enough money that we can keep moving on this. So anyways, that's where we're at with the Neon. I'm gonna try and keep you guys posted as stuff comes. Yeah, so should be seeing those bushings show up probably the first of the week, and I'll go give you guys a video on how to do that. And the Viper's going into storage probably either later today or tomorrow, so it'll be put up for the winter, and I will have full access to the garage to actually work on this. So anyways, that's where we're at. That's what we've been doing. We've been waiting, and here shortly we should be able to move forward with a few little things. So you guys, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Please hit that little bell so that way you guys get the newest video as soon as I put them on. And yeah, we're just having a beautiful fall day. We're super lucky. So we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks a lot.